Hello, welcome back to this channel. Here is another series of our shea butter production. I did not forget my promise of making several series of shea butter creams and soaps and the likes. So today we'll be making a shea butter cream that is okay for adults. Don't forget we made one for baby bum bum. If you have not watched that, please check within the channel and you are going to see that video that is made for the baby bum bum. Basically shea butter. Shea butter is our country's natural endowment, so we should be able to make use of it to produce several things, and that is what we are doing at the moment. Here is my shea butter. I forgot, I wanted to ask us to guess what this was. However, I already let the answer out of my mouth. So here is my already dissolved shea butter. This shea butter is 300 grams. I dissolved the shea butter so that I will have an easy access to mixing all these ingredients into this shea butter. If you have watched the baby bum bum shea butter, you will remember that I weighed my shea butter, took it to melt it, came back before adding the necessary ingredients. Now today I decided to make the video a shorter one by melting my shea butter before coming on, and that is what we have here. 300 grams of shea butter gave me this solution we can view on our screen. It's looking dark. For those of us that have not watched the video of how we came about the shea butter from scratch to finish, please go watch that video. You'll be able to understand that yes, shea butter may look dark as it's looking right now on your screen, but the end result is usually very beautiful, almost as yellow as this my glove. Now let me introduce us to the different ingredients I'll be using for this production. Here is my vitamin E oil. Here is my fragrance, a mixture of fragrance for that matter. Here is my turmeric oil. Here is my Clear serum. You know, Clear serum can be used for, it's a beauty product that is used in the beauty world. And here is my vanilla fragrance. In the baby bum bum cream, I also used vanilla fragrance. So I decided to use vanilla. Vanilla is my choice, does not mean that you also have to use vanilla as your own fragrance. There are several other kind of fragrance like I always mention on this channel. Also, I'll be using my rosehip oil as well as my wheat germ oil. These two oils are very good for anti-aging. They work wonderfully well for wrinkles, and that is why when you use this product we're about to make, your system, your skin will rejuvenate. You have a skin that comes out, pops out like never before. Let's go straight into the production. I'll be adding all this at once before I do the shaking. That was exactly what I did when I did the baby bum bum production. So here is my vitamin E oil. I'll be using just 10 ml. Vitamin E oil is a very good oil. However, I've said it in several of my videos that the smell is not a nice one. So please, if you are particular about the smell of what you use, you may exclude vitamin E from your ingredients. Here is my turmeric oil. For those of us that have not watched the video on black soap, I mentioned it there that I love turmeric so much. I so love it. Turmeric oil can be used in our lightening creams. Turmeric oil, in fact, we use turmeric in our baby soap, some of our baby products. Turmeric oil is a very wonderful oil. I spoke about turmeric in one of my videos and why the prices of turmeric varies in the different markets. Here is my Clear oil, and I'm using 20 ml of my Clear oil. If you have watched the baby bum bum cream, you will notice that I did not use any serum in the baby bum bum preparation or shea butter. However, because I know that this is for adults and we have talked about how it's going to work for anti-wrinkles, I am using Clear serum. Here is my vanilla fragrance. I'll be using just 10 ml of my vanilla fragrance because we are not, there are some of these other things will have added some smell to our product, so I decided to use just 10 ml of my vanilla fragrance. I'll be adding in my wheat germ oil. my wheat germ oil. I'll be using just 20 ml of my wheat germ oil. Don't forget, I said that this works for anti-wrinkles. My wheat germ oil. Now, sometimes I receive some questions about maybe how I do my formulations, and how I come about those things I'm supposed to I use in the production. I would like to let you know that we have training classes, we have academy, we have those people that are training under us, both physical and online. Now, if you are supposed to be trained in any of the classes, there will be detailed explanation on why and how we use all these ingredients that are used. For each of these ingredients that are used in this shea butter cream, each of them has one particular purpose or the other. So we're not just coming up with different things, pouring them together and adding them to make a lotion, a cream, a soap, or whatever it is that has been made on this channel. There are definitely special reasons and specific purposes each of those components serves. Now, lastly, I'll be adding in my rosehip oil, and I'll be adding 20 ml. So this shea butter cream will serve wonderfully well for adults that are working against anti-wrinkle and some other things. So I'll be mixing all this together now. Please note that when you are using your mixer, you use it a little and you stop. You use it a little and you stop. I almost forgot my white now oil. I don't know if I mentioned this, but here is my white now oil. I'll be adding in just 10 ml of my white now oil. I hope you can see this. I almost forgot the white now oil. I'll be mixing it again. And our adult shea butter anti-wrinkles cream is ready. If you have any question, please don't forget to send a message on the comment section. If you have any requests, we are still running on the 31 days challenge. This is the right time to make your video request. There will be subsequent videos on shea butter. There are several courses in our academy. Please message us on our DM for proper information concerning the academy, both for the online as well as the offline kind of academy. Thank you for viewing. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel. If you are an old subscriber, thank you for coming along. Bye.